Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and I was searching online, or I was watching shorts and videos, and and I saw Stace make, or she had shared how she made these trees out of the happy jig, and I was like, oh my god, I have this tool and I needed to try this out. So I went on one of her shorts. It shared the where to place the pegs, and then she also demonstrated how she did it, and it is so cute. I have this. I was gonna sell this. I was gonna get rid of this, and I had all these wires. As you can see here, I have them, and I never used them. I think I got this happy jig from Tuesday morning, and it came with a bunch of, wire, and I was like, oh my gosh, I have this. And it also came with um, this twine wire. I have, I've done a few things. I've, here's some red. I have black and white. I haven't used them. And I wanted to come on and just share these. These are so pretty. I mean, mine is probably not as pretty as hers, but um, they turned out fairly well. I was thinking, you could hang like some beads, like one little bead, or two little beads on here, and decorate it. She had shared that this could be like a charm. Well, I mean, this wire is, you could bend it really easy. And but I was thinking just hanging some charms on here would be so adorable. And I don't have a lot. I have beads, but I'm gonna see what I have, and I'll come back and share it. But these are just simply adorable. Look at them. Oh my gosh. So I have, she done one in blue, and she used like a beautiful oh my gosh, like a circle die, and it was a beautiful ornament. Like, this one's kind of wonky, but I don't care. It's beautiful. And she demonstrates it like I did this one. This one's a lot better. First, I couldn't figure it out. So it was trial and error. I messed up a wire, but I absolutely love these. These would be perfect for little embellishments, and you could add to journals and things like that. Oh my gosh. And I have the book that shares all these. I've made this before on my on my channel, and I also did a, I think I did a hello. I think I did a love. I did mostly the words, but there's like different shapes. Like, here's a flamingo. Oh my gosh. So it gives you the, where the pegs should go and what size pegs. This is, I think this is like a paper clip. Yeah. I mean, they have, oh, look at this little doggy. Isn't that cute? So they already have, um, you know, uh, different things you could make these paper, you can make them paper clips, or, or just say hello. It's really cute. So if you have this, because I don't even know if they sell this anymore, but if you have this, bust it out and start using it. Oh my gosh. So thank you, Stace, for sharing your trees. These are so beautiful. I love them. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great Christmas week. We are home, buckling down and just enjoying each other. So yeah, I had to come in my craft room and try these out before Christmas. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week and Merry Christmas, guys. Bye for now.